Good morning, children. Now we will learn about solid and hollow cylinder, tiling and non-tiling tiles, and lastly tangram, solid cylinder. When coins are placed one above the other, we get a solid cylinder. That means coins kept one on the other. If we try to put our finger in, we cannot put inside. So it is called solid cylinder. For example, iron rod and candle. We cannot put our finger in the candle or iron rod, or we cannot see from that. Hollow cylinder. When bangles are placed one above the other, we get a hollow cylinder. That means bangles are kept on one another. If we try to put our finger in, we can put our finger in. So it is called as hollow cylinder. Example, plastic pipe and thread drill. Children, from plastic pipe we can see anybody, whomever we want. Now we will go to the tiling and non-tiling tiles. Look at the arrangement of the following tiles. The tiles of these shapes can cover the floor completely without gaps. They tile with each other. Why so, children? Can you tell me? Yes, children, the shapes which have straight line can tile with each other. You can see in the picture. The tiles of these shapes do not cover completely. These are gaps. There are gaps between the tiles. They do not tile each other. Why so, children? Can you tell me? Yes, children. This is called as non-tiling tiles. Here the shapes have curved lines and cannot tile with each other. You can see in the picture. Remember, children, while lying the same shaped tiles, if they cover the floor without gap, then they are tiling tiles. While lying the same shaped tiles, if there are gaps between the tiles, then they are non-tiling tiles. Now we will learn about tangram. Shapes create interest among human beings. Since ancient period Chinese riddle, shapes have become more popular. These shapes are called as tangrams. To prepare the shapes of animals, birds, human beings and different objects by using pieces of tangram, which needs intelligence and imagination, brings out hidden talents and also enhances creativity. You can see in the picture, children. One thing you remember, children, only straight lines are used in tangrams. If the picture has 5 pieces, is called as 5 pieces tangram. Group of 7 pieces is called as 7 pieces tangram. Thank you, children. Note that you will be getting the next class your notes. We will meet again. Thank you, children. Bye.